All right, the red light is on my LEVOIT air purifier, which means it's time to replace the filter, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first thing I'm going to do is just turn it off, flip it over, and then you'll see the bottom just untwists here. Take out the old filter, and you see how dirty it is right there. So it's definitely time to change this one. And I have my new filter right here. Just open it up, and you see how clean this one is compared to the old one. Put it right in, screw the bottom right back on, flip it back over. You can turn the purifier back on now, and you can see the red light is still on. You just hold that down for a few seconds till the light goes out. There it goes. Holding it a little longer than I need to. And you're all set.